Hi, myself Gautam Kumar. I am from Shantesh College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today, I want to explaining about regression analysis, lines of regressions, and applications. First, let us look into the contents. First, we'll see the introduction in history of regression analysis and what is regression analysis, types of regression analysis, simple example or a problem, application of regression analysis and conclusion. First, let us look into the introduction. Introduction. Regression analysis is a statistical tool used to identify the relationship between variables. It has a rich history and has been used in various fields. In this presentation, we will be exploring the power of regression analysis and its examples and applications. Next, history of regression analysis. Regression analysis was first introduced by Sir Francis Galton in 19th century. Since then, it has evolved and become a widely used statistical tool. Some of the important milestones in this history regression analysis will be discussed in these coming slides. What is regression analysis? Regression analysis is a statistical method that shows the relationship between two or more variables, usually expressed in graphs. In a graph, the method tested the relationship between a dependent variable against independent variable. Typically, the independent variables change within the dependent variables, and the regressions analysis attempts to the answer which factors the most of the changes. Next, types of regression analysis. Linear regressions. It is used when two variables have a linear relationship. It is most commonly used types of regression analysis. Logical regression. It is used when the development of variable is binary and canonical. It is commonly used in marketing and medical researches. Poly- Polynomial regression. It is used when two variables have collinear relationship. Multi regression. It is used when there are multiple independent variables. It is useful in complex studies where multiple factors impact the independent variable. Next, let us look into an example. Here we have calculate the two regression equation of x on y and y on x for the data given below, taking the derivation of actual mean of x and y. The e- The data is given in two types, that is price and amount dependent. We'll take price as X and amount dependent as Y. First, and estimate the likely demand when price is 20. Where we need to find the determinant when the price is 20. Let's look into the solution. Solution in the solution we make use of a table. First, we write down all the values of x and we find out small x, which is x minus x min or x bar, where x bar is found by total n number of x divided by number of items of x. We find x and x square, and from the y we find y from y we find y minus y mean or y bar x square and xy. After getting the summation of x square and y square and xy, uh, we'll move on to the next step. That is regression equation of x on y. We make use of uh, formula x minus x mean is equal to r modulus of x by modulus of y minus y bar. X bar is equal to, then we solve and find the x value where both x and y are unknown now, and we move on to the regular expression of y on x. That is, make use of y minus y bar is equal to r of modulus y by modulus x by x minus x bar. After getting the values of x and y, where we use x is 20 and y will be, we'll solve the equation by putting x is equal to 20, and we get the answer 39.25. This is how we solve the regression equation. Let us move on to the application of regression analysis. Predictive modeling. Regression analysis is used in many fields to make preparations. Example including the precision stock prices and sales forecasting and electrical results. Causal references. It helps to determine if changes in one variable cause the changes in another. Through cautioning is needed to establish true cautions. Quality control. Regression analysis is used in manufacturing to control quality. It is used to identify the factors that impact the product quality and optimize the production. Finance analysis. Regression analysis is used in finance to model and risk and price. It is used to analyze the impact of interest rate and in fact the most factory on investment returns. Marketing research. Regression analysis is used in marketing to develop the price modeling and customer segmenting and advertising the effectiveness. Let us move on to the conclusion. Ending part. Regression is the most powerful static tool that can be helpful to understand the relationship between variables. It has a rich history and it has been used in various fields. This presentation was all about the overview of regressions, analysis, and examples and its applications. Thank you.